Hey, it's ClayTrader, and I'm going to try to get a short here on HIMX. I have an order in for 2,500 shares at 12.11. I believe that's where that white line is. Yep, white line. So that'll be where my order entry is at to try to short. Obviously been bearish, starting to bottom out here and come back up. But the overall chart, is bearish. So I'd like to think that I'm shorting into some strength. That's just going to end up being a dead cat bounce that can at least roll over a little bit. I won't go for a huge killing or anything like that, but so I'd like my odds up here of being able to get at least a little micro move to the downside that'll allow me to score profit. So you can see it's heading up here, making a nice move. Let's see if it can come up the rest of the way. Actually, I'm going to change that because usually if 12.10 is broken, then stocks have the tendency to pop. So I'm going to change that to 12.14. And let's see how high did it go? Did I just went up to 12.12 and now it's pulling back? So it looks like I just psyched myself out of my own trade here. Let's see if it wants to head back up there or not. Or let's see if this is the move that I was hoping to get, and I just, like I said, psyched myself out of it. It's looking like this is the move that I wanted to see happen, especially if it goes down there and hits the $12 mark, since that's where I would have liked to have covered. So let's see what happens. There's 12.02s. There's 12.01s. And there, so all right, I'm going to post this video anyways, just as a great example of, I mean, you saw what I wanted to do. I wanted to get in at 12.11. It went up and hit as high as 12.12, so I nailed the entry point within a penny, except then I psyched myself out, changed my order, and now you can see that it's rolling over very nicely. I would have been out at 12, but still, you can see, pulled back just like I wanted it to. So I'm going to leave it at that. I will post this as just an educational example of me psyching myself out of the trade. So yeah, lesson learned, when you know charts, you got to trust the charts. Obviously, I didn't trust it there, and you can see it cost me a very nice entry point and trade. So it kind of is what it is. If you don't know how to use charts or are interested in learning, I'd encourage you to check out my blog at ClayTrader.com. Lots of free stuff there, video charts, and then I also do offer some educational courses along with a trading group where you can hang out with me and other traders during the day, stay on top of markets, market movers, stocks that are bouncing, breaking out, all that good stuff in real time. So check it out. Very cost effective, less than a cup of coffee a week. $99 for the whole year, which breaks down to I think $1.90 per week. So super affordable. And I guess I'm just talking and rambling on because I'm still watching this and seeing how well that would have been such a nice little trade. But it is what it is. I'm not going to sit here and pretend like I'm a flawless trader. So I will post this because sometimes the best ways to learn are from mistakes like I just made. So hopefully you learned something. Remember, just trust the chart.